Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Style with Nina, and thanks for watching my series titled 12 Days of Luxury. This is my spin on the 12 Days of Christmas vlog that everybody's doing, and Vlogmas. I felt like the 12 Days of Luxury was more true to my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you are watching the other videos. I am making it my best, or trying my best to make these videos quick for you guys so that you know you can watch it to the end. And yeah, so I don't want to ramble, so let's just go on to day number 7 and let's see what's in this box. And again, just to piggyback on what I've said before, these items were accumulated over some time, and due to me being so busy, I just did not get a chance to open them up. So I felt like this would be a cute little spin on, you know, a huge luxury haul. So yeah, let's go ahead and see. I can't even remember what's in this one. So let's see. I'm sure it's vintage just based on how it's packaged. Oh, these are cute. Okay. So there's 2 bags in here. Look at this one, you guys. This one is real cute. Do I have any paper to stuff these? Okay, so these are both, this is one bucket bag, and this is another one. Very cute. So this one is called the Fendi Magic Chef Bag. It's very, very similar to their, I can't think of the name of the bag that they just released. So that's that one. It's called like the Chef Hat Bag or Magic Chef, something like that. And then I saw this one. This is a vintage Bally bag that had the similar small bucket style. So yeah, these bags are very, very cute because you can easily add crossbody straps to them. That's why I like them. Let me set this down. Okay, so based on the size of the D-ring here, you can easily attach another strap to it and make it a crossbody. So I like that one. This one, I don't know if you can do it as easily. It only has 1 D-ring. But this one is a bigger size, so this is just a cute, you know, cute for styling. It needs to be stuffed so you guys can see. Let's see if I can stuff it real quick. It's been in that box for God knows how long, you guys. Okay, so that's the bag stuffed. Very, very cute. I love this bag. It's very, very different, very unique. And then this magic hat bag, definitely a lot smaller than I thought. This thing is teeny tiny, but it's cute. Very cute. So yeah, these are my 2 bucket bags. This one, like I said, you can easily, let me see. I just have this strap right here just to show you guys. This strap does not match. I'm just showing you that you can easily attach a strap to it. Y'all see that? Very cute. So yeah, I'll probably go and buy a Fendi strap just for a couple of other Fendi bags that I have. And yeah, so this is, like I said, very, very similar to the I can't think of the name of the bag that they just re-released that's like this, but it's actually leather. But yeah, when I saw that one, I was like, oh, I would have been watching this other bag. Let me just go ahead and grab it. Gives you the same, I'm trying to see, can my phone fit in here? This bag is small. Let's see. So the phone does fit. But you can't put much in this bag, I ain't gonna lie. The Bally one is a little bit of a better size. This one's a little bit of a better size. However, this one you actually have to hold in your hand, where this one, you have the option to hold it in your hand and put a crossbody strap on it. So yeah, I thought these were cute. Both of these were vintage. I want to say that I paid, I kid you not, you guys, I think I paid like $30 for this one. And then this one was a little more, maybe 60, 70. I know I'm real cheap, you guys. So if you don't know that about me, know that I shop a lot, but I like saving. So I want to say, I know this bag was not that expensive because I wouldn't have got it if it was a ridiculous price. So yeah, hope you guys like these two bags. You know, stay tuned for my blog if you want to see these things styled. They'll probably be in a blog post. So what I'll do is, if you're watching this video and you see a blog post linked below, that is going to be me with one of these bags. Now, I don't know when that's going to happen, but since, you know, these videos are up on YouTube forever, if you see, just make sure you check the description box. So again, love you guys. Stay tuned for video 8. And again, stay stylish and stay fabulous. Mwah! I think this is my food.